Today, we'll take you through the essential steps to build a strong safety culture. Whether you're in automotive, aerospace, or any industry, safety should always be a top priority. Step 1. Leadership commitment. It all starts at the top. For a safety culture to thrive, company leaders must be fully committed to safety. They set the tone, provide resources, and lead by example. Step 2. Define safety policies. Clearly articulate your organization's safety policies and procedures. Make sure everyone understands them and knows where to find them. Step 3. Employee training. Invest in comprehensive safety training programs. Ensure that all employees, from newcomers to veterans, receive the necessary training to perform their jobs safely. Step 4. Communication. Foster open and transparent communication channels. Encourage employees to report safety concerns without fear of reprisal. Step 5. Hazard identification. Empower your workforce to identify hazards and near misses. Encourage reporting and quick resolution. Step 6. Safety equipment. Provide the necessary safety equipment and enforce its use. This includes personal protective gear, safety shoes, safety glasses, helmets and more. Step 7. Continuous improvement. Continuously evaluate your safety program. Encourage employees to suggest improvements and be open to change. Step 8. Recognition and rewards. Acknowledge and reward safe behavior. Recognize individuals and teams who go above and beyond to ensure safety. Step 9. Incident investigation. Investigate every incident thoroughly. Identify root causes, learn from them, and implement corrective actions. Step 10. Safety audits. Regularly conduct safety audits and inspections. Identify areas that need improvement and take corrective action. Building a safety culture is an ongoing process, but it's worth it. It's not just about compliance, it's about caring for your employees and creating a workplace where everyone can thrive. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content on building a safer and healthier workplace.